How to use Jira, best project management software. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at Jira project management software and how you can get started with one of the leading and one of the best project management softwares out there. So let's get into it. Now, Jira is a project management software created by Atlassian, and they have all of the essential features that can enable you to further your business and your project in a very effective manner. So to get started, all you need to do is click on try it for free. From here, you can see that each product on a free plan, they include 10 users or 3 agents. You also get 2 gigabytes of storage, community support, and free trials, so you don't need to put in any credit card information. You're going to click on next over here on the bottom right, and you can choose to continue with Google or sign up with your email address. So we're just going to continue with Google just to shorten the overall sign up process. And over here, just like that, you're just going to continue with Google and set up your account. So it just takes a couple of seconds, and then you can add your site name. So you can click on start a new site, and I will enter the site name that I want. So let's say this is going to be Jane Doe Inc. So Jane Doe 0 is going to be our site name, and I will just click on agree over here. So after a couple of minutes, it can take up to 2-3 minutes just for this page to load up, where you can actually begin setting up your first project. So first off, you will name your project. Let's say this is going to be our sales project, or let's say this is our project for a campaign. So this could be a marketing campaign. So let's say we will just name this as our marketing project, and then below that you have your template. So you can go on ahead and choose a specific kind of template. You can use a basic work management, project management template. You can use a marketing template. You can use a HR template, finance templates, design templates, and so many other different kinds of templates are available on Jira. And this will enable you to lower the amount of time it's going to take you to set up your project on Jira. This is going to be super effective in just setting up the project and getting started with your work. Plus, you also have import your work function. So if you click on this over here, you have external imports as well. So you can import your work from a CSV file. You can import from Trello or a JSON, or import from a different Jira server as well. So let's say I want to continue with marketing, and I will go on to campaign management. And then after that, I'm going to simply click on create over here. You also have some other options where you can use, team management or some other boards as well, but that is a bit more detailed. But once you have created your project, you can see over here on the top, you have your navigation panel where you can manage your work, your project, filters, dashboards, peoples, and applications that you can integrate into your workspace. So from here, you can see I have my marketing project. Now, in your marketing project, the first thing you have is a summary of everything. Then you will have a board. Now, on your board, you can actually begin adding different cards or items or lists. So let's say that for our marketing project, we want to begin with a budget, or setting budget, or finding influencers to promote. So let's say that's our first task over here. So we will simply enter that over here, and you will enter this task. So you can also create multiple different detailed fields. So let's say we will have finalizing or finding influencers. And after that, you have description field. So you can add a summary of the task, and you can also add a description of the entire task. Then below that, you have your context field. So you can assign a task to a certain person. You can also have a reporter for a certain task as well. So let's say you have a hierarchy in your business, and a certain person manages an entire team. So the assignee could be the person that is doing the work, and the manager could be the reporter. Then you have the priority of the task. So you can choose multiple different values. Let's say this is of high priority. Then you have labels. So labels with any kind of function of your task. You can create your own customized labels. And then you have due date, department, start date, and category, all the basic functions. And we're going to click on hide when empty. Then after that, you can also create your own custom field. So let's say you want to create a checkbox of this as well. So you will enter this checkbox over here in context fields, and then you can enter the subtasks that might be present within a larger task. Once you have done that, you can click on save changes, and let's say this is going to be sign up or budget management, whatever you might want to add in your larger task. So finding influencers, and the subtask could be filtering relevant influencers. And then after that, you can add multiple different options. So you can click on multiple different options, like maybe you want to set budgets or could do cold emails, and you can enter those options. And as soon as those are completed, a person can select the option that they have completed. Now we're just going to save our changes over here. And now if we go on to our project management board, we can actually go on ahead and, add our other tasks as well. And after that, you also have a list view. So in your list view, you can do the same thing. You can create tasks. Then you also have a calendar view, a timeline view, and all of these views are often only available on super premium project management templates or project management platforms. And these views will really enable you to visualize and timeline and be able to view your work in an effective manner so you can accomplish your project or finish your project within due dates. Below that, you also have a form section. So you can click on create form over here. And from here, you can actually go on ahead and get all the relevant information that you might want to add. You can add these specific fields as well. So from here, you can begin customizing and add multiple different questions. You can build simple questionnaires for your project, for your marketing campaign, whatever you are doing over here, and then you can send those out to the relevant customers, clients, or leads. After that, you also have your pages. So you have a page section where you can manage the overall workflow of your project. You can choose a blank page, you can add product requirements, you can add a decision-making page, a meeting notes, or a retrospective page as well. And this will just enable you to write down things as you would on a standard, meeting or in a standard decision-making process. Then you also have issues. This is a section that is very much specific to Jira. No other project management software has a issues section. So this can really enable a marketing team or any kind of team to effectively resolve things that people are getting stuck on. Because if you have a goal set in mind for your project, and no matter what happens, you want to achieve that goal, and any hiccups that you get in the middle of them need to be resolved as soon as possible. So having this section can really enable you to do so. Then you have basic sections like reports and shortcuts. Then after that, you actually have your project settings. From here, you can choose the category of your project. You can choose the project lead as well, so who is leading this specific project as well. And then you have access, so you can enter, you can add people to the project that you are doing, and you can manage the roles for those people as well. One person could be administrators, one person could be, just a person working on the project, so on and so forth. Then you also have the automation section, which can enable you to simplify some of the day-to-day tasks as well. So you have a few different automation rules. Let's say if people are getting stuck on a task, you want a higher up to be assigned to that task. So you can automate these simple functions into your workspace as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.